Today, let me introduce how to programming an MD-ASW spot welding machine of X-Weld. Okay, so this is the fixture of the battery packs, which use the 1865 batteries. And here is the parameters of the fixtures. On the X direction, here have 20 cells. And on the Y direction, here have 15 cells. And the distance between the cells are 19 millimeters. Okay, so it's totally about 300 cells. Okay, first let's move to the touch screen here. Okay, we press the enter buttons. Okay, here I have file menu. Let's click all new files. We will give a name, for example, X-Weld. Okay, now it goes into the programming interface of this X-Weld file. Okay, let's move the X and Y axis and move the head, go to the first cell. Okay, check it, go to the first cell. What's it? Okay, correct. Okay, moves back a little. Okay, now the Y position is on the correct position, and the X position is also correct now. Okay, here we press this add button to add the first position. Okay, you can see the first position is here. Okay, for next step, we press the array button. It will show a tape here, and we can input the parameter here. Quantity in X direction is 20 quantities. Quantity in Y direction is 15. And the X interval is 19. Y interval is 19 too. Okay, press OK. Okay, now you can see the coordinates are automatically generated. Now we got 300 cells. Now we will check if the programming is correct. Let's select this button, automatic positioning. Okay, and press the last. We will go to the end point, the last point. Okay, the head is moved to the last point. You can say the position is correct. It's correct. Okay, so we go back to the screen and select the program X-Weld and click apply button. Okay, now the file array is X-Weld and it's 300 cells. Let's check the running of this program. Okay, let's reset the machine. And press the start button here. Okay, now the programming is running. This is the process of programming on simple fixtures. Please go to our website for more information. Thank you.